Welcome! This is a Finally Bee learning tutorial for Waggle Processes. Here's what this lesson covers: what Waggle is, as well as how to select the appropriate job folder process to fit your recruitment needs, and a look at how to quickly and easily move candidates into the appropriate steps within a process. So what is Waggle? Waggle is our lightweight candidate management system. It's simple and easy to use and works seamlessly across your desktop, tablet, or mobile. Here you'll see the Waggle homepage. To start, join me in clicking on the folders icon. Let's say you are recruiting college students for a campus event. Go ahead and type the job rec number or title into the search field. Then select the folder you want from the list. Notice it says Selected Process. A process is a series of steps within a job folder, for example, the graduate recruitment process. These processes align with an organization's hiring needs. The steps in a process by default are New, Maybe, Shortlist, Process, and Exclude. Notice that there are 51 candidates in the New step. These candidates have applied to this job or have been placed in this job folder. After we meet college students at an event, we want to make sure that we can now look into each candidate and see who we're going to move through our selection process. Let's take a look at how to pick a custom process for this job folder. If you'd like to change the process, you can click where it says None and choose any of the other processes that have been set up within your organization. If additional processes have not been set up, you will see None as the only option. Note that a custom process can only be configured by a Waggle admin user and must have been set up previously for them to appear here. Let's select the campus recruiting process for example. Next you'll see the process step has been replaced with new custom steps that have been configured in the system. Notice that the New, Maybe, Shortlist, and Exclude steps are still there. These are system steps that always occur. Go ahead and click on the New step. From here you can view what process step you are viewing. You can easily move candidates into the appropriate step. To do so, first select the candidates you want to move by checking the box to the right of their Waggle business card. Once you have the candidates selected, click on Move To and then select the appropriate step. Let's move these candidates into the Maybe step for example. Next, you'll see a pop-up that says you just moved these candidates into a different job folder state. After clicking on Maybe, you'll see the candidates you just moved. If you move someone by accident, you can move them back into the appropriate step. First, click on a person and click on Move To and move them back to New, for example. Let's say you want to change the selected process to something else. Note that if there is a candidate in a custom step, you won't be able to change the process. Let's try moving a candidate into the custom step titled Seniors Great Potential. Click on the orange arrow to go back to the job folder overview. Here you'll notice that you can't change the process. This is because there is a candidate in one of the custom steps. The system will not let you change the process until you move that candidate out of its current step and into either the New, Maybe, Shortlist, or Exclude steps. Let's move this candidate back into the Maybe step. Then click on the orange arrow and Campus Recruiting. Notice you now have the option to select a different process. Great! So far we've seen that this drop-down menu is a great way to navigate and move people within job folders. It helps you to quickly get to all the different steps. Note that you can also click on the orange arrow to go back to the job folder overview. From here you can star the job if you'd like to. Lastly, you can reset a job folder by clicking on the selected process and selecting None. Then it will reset back to the default process. Here's a summary of what we've covered in this Waggle tutorial. We learned what Waggle is, as well as how to select the appropriate job folder process to fit your recruitment needs, and a look at how to quickly and easily move candidates into the appropriate steps within a process. Thanks! I hope you've enjoyed watching. If you have any further questions, please ask our expert team by visiting finally.com/help.